What's up, everybody? Hope you all had a fantastic day. It was a double release day in the Pokemon world today. We had Temporal Forces released in English today, and then in Japanese, we had Crimson Haze released today as well. And we have a box of Crimson Haze that we are going to crack into. Let's see what we can get today. So I did open up a box of this before this video, and we had a ton of hits. So let's see if box number 2 can deliver the goods as well. So starting off with a Snorlax, a Pinsir, and a Parin for our last card. There are a bunch of good art rares and secret art rares in this set. Couple of the ones that I am looking forward to trying to get. There is a full art Pinsir that is really cool. There's also a full art Eevee that I think is going to be a popular one as well. And for our first holo, we have the Walking Wake card. And Crimson Invasion is going to be part of the Masquerade set that Pokemon just announced that's going to be released in a few months. So we are getting a little bit of a preview about what cards are going to be in that set. And we got a Monfernape holo. So it is a 5-card set for this one, so card trick is only 1 card to the front, which is nice and easy to remember. We got a Torkoal, Nose Pass, and we got the full art rare Eevee. Let's go! That is such a cool card. All those little Eevees, they're so cute. So we got our first hit of the box, our art rare Eevee. Let's sleeve that bad boy up real quick. And let's get back into it, see what we can get. Glaceon. There are a couple Eevees in this set, which are pretty cool looking. And we got just the regular Eevee there. And an energy trainer. So, the one thing I do like about Japanese packs is that they are way easier to open than the English packs. I appreciate it. And we got another art rare. This one is the Heliolisk. And something I like about this one, it's kind of like blurred in the background, so it's like looks like it's coming at you kinda, which is really cool. So this is a really cool art rare. So that is 2 art rares already in the box. And looks like we are off to a good start. So looks like the second box is not disappointing either. Right when I said the Japanese packs were easier. And another energy card. There are a lot more packs in this box than I was expecting, so that is also a nice little surprise. You got a Proboboss, a Vulpix, a Tangela, and a Perrin trainer card. There's a Perrin full art where she is taking a picture of a Good Boy Growlithe, and then there's also a Good Boy Growlithe to go along with that art rare. So I'm seeing if we can find those two cards in here as well. We got a Torkoal, an Apple, and a Hammer. There is also a Torkoal full art that looks pretty cool. That is one of my chase cards that I am trying to get as well. So we'll see what this box holds for us. And another trainer card, a Lana trainer card. So it looks like we started out fast, cooling off a little bit. Let's see if things can heat back up for us. Halucha. Another Vulpix. And we got an Iron Thorns, which is also a pretty cool looking card. Back in my day we called him Tyranitar, but I guess this is they're continuing the ancient and the future cards, so this is the future Tyranitar. Iron Thorns, if he wants to stay up. There we go. And then just want to give a little shout out to Action Figures Japan. They are the ones that sent me my box of Crimson Haze, and it was shipped all the way from Japan and came right on time, which was pretty awesome, so shout out to them. Girafarig, Tangrowth, and we got a trainer card. This one has the cool hollow on it. It's kind of like the Radiant cards that we've recently got. So this one is Survival Cast. And then I think the popular one for the TCG players is the Unfair Stamp. I don't play the TCG, so I'm not 100% sure, but that is the one that they are looking forward to. It gives them a pretty big advantage from what I hear. A little Growlithe, Good Boy Growlithe. And we got a hollow Arcanine to go with the Growlithe. Let's go. That's our first hollow of the box. We'll put that guy to the side and we'll continue on. An apple again, giraffe, trainer, and there's our second hollow, back-to-back hollows. That guy is the Tinglu. And then we'll just take a second. I love the pack art on this. You got the Blood Moon Ursula, the Drapple, and then there's that new little matcha guy. What is his name? Let's find it real quick. Sinistcha. We got a trainer, Ninetales, another Growlithe, good boy, and nothing in that pack. On to the next one. Oh, there's something I saw it. We got something. Let's see, what do we get? It's the, oh man, what's his name? Marcargo. Nice little hollow pattern on there. Marcargo EX. Hard to say, for me at least. We'll sleeve that bad boy up. We got a trainer. Another one. He is called Poltergeist. An Eevee. And we got a Zapdos Hollow. So that is our third hollow of the box. And then another thing that I like about the Japanese packs, I don't know if you can see that right there, but it kind of gives you like the odds that you're going to pull secret art rare, art rare, regular rare, and so on. There's kind of like a little scale on there, which I like as well. Kind of just gives you a good idea of what you should expect. We got the Belly Bolt. This is a cool art that I like as well. Nice little art there for that. And we got the EX Sinistcha. That is a cool looking card. Lots of green on there. Little matcha Pokemon, which I can appreciate. I love matcha stuff. Looks like we are probably somewhere near halfway through the box, and we have a good amount of hits. I don't think we've gotten our secret rare yet though, so let's see if we can get our secret rare coming up sometime soon. And then I believe we should be getting another art rare as well. I think the last box I opened, there was at least 3 art rares that I pulled, so should be getting one more hopefully. Nothing in that one. We got the hammer. We got a Leafeon. Cool little artwork there. I got the a V-Star full art Leafeon the other day. That was really cool. And we got a Greninja EX with the shiny little hollow pattern. Same as the Marcargo. Nice little pull there. So we'll do a little recap of what we've got so far. We've got a couple EX cards. We got some shiny GX cards. the new trainers and some art rares so far. So looking pretty good so far. I think we should be expecting a few more hits from this box, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Ninetales, Halucha, and another trainer. His name, let's see what his name is real quick. Luchin trainer. Lucian. I don't know. Someone correct me. Torkoal trainer and a hollow. Enormous. That is our fourth hollow of the box. I think we're coming down to the last few packs, maybe 6 or 7 more. We got the Pinsir, still looking for that Pinsir art rare. And we got the Torkoal art rare. Like a little old man in his Torkoal. Super cute. I don't know, it's hard to get that in focus. Kind of blurry, but it is a nice little artwork there. Cute little scene. Just a man and his Pokemon, which I think we can all appreciate. So I think that might be it for our art rares. I think we still are looking for a secret rare though. So let's see if we can pull that in these last few packs. There we go. We got a Perrin secret rare. Let's go. That is such a cool artwork. Perrin and her little camera with her, taking pictures of her little Growlithe. That is such a nice artwork. And there is our secret rare. There we go. Oh, that's such a cool artwork. Let's go. Super happy with that. That's so good. So good. These Crimson Haze boxes are nice. I like them. They got lots of pulls, lots of fun artworks to find. You do get a lot of duplicates, but I think the pulls that you get are worth it. You get a nice surprise every few packs or so. It's not you don't have to wait long to get a hit, which is nice compared to some of the English sets where you have to pull and pull and pull in order to get something. Alright, I think that could be all the hits that we got. It looks like we got this pack and then 2 more after it. So let's see if we can pull some last second cards here. Spiders. Alright, penultimate pack here. Let's see what we get. We got a fish, a crab, Pinsir, Ninetales, and a trainer card. Alright, we are down to our last pack here. Thank you guys for watching and hanging out and checking out Crimson Haze with me. I think this is probably one of my favorite sets so far of the Scarlet and Violet era. Let's see if we can get some last pack magic. We got a Tangela and a Cramorant. I think that's the first Cramorant we've seen this whole box. Well, that was a box of Crimson Haze. Thanks for joining me, and hope you guys have a good one. See you on the next one.